how to play 8-ball pool with friends. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can play 8-ball pool with your friends. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started. To play 8-ball pool with your friends, once you have 8-ball pool, you can see all of these options on the right hand side. All the way towards the right hand side, you can see the option called play with friends. So essentially you want to select play with friends. You have many options to create a tournament lobby or to join with lobby code. So if you have got a code that your friend shared with you, you can select join with lobby code and enter a valid lobby code and hit the join button. Otherwise, you can choose to invite friends by clicking or tapping on this invite friends button, and you can basically invite them using a unique link that you have and share this, and people will be able to join it. Or you can add them by a unique ID. So if you want to find new friends, you can add them by a unique ID. But you can basically create a tournament lobby if you are the one hosting the match or the tournament with your friend, or you can join if your friend has basically given you the code. And this way you can basically play 8-ball pool with friends. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.